Hello students, I am Namita Verma again here with you with a new topic, with a new video which is on excretion. Excretion means uh, throwing out of waste. But what is the exact meaning? Why excretion is essential and it takes place in all living organisms? From unicellular organism amoeba to human being and flowering plants, so on. So every living thing has some waste materials formed in their body. This waste material is formed by the process of metabolism, and as a result, not only nitrogenous waste like urea and ammonia are formed, but carbon dioxide and bile pigments in plants. There are some waste products which are used by human beings again. So these are also the waste products or excretory products. Waste products are known as excretory products, and all the waste products or excretory products are removed through a system which is known as urinary system or excretory system. Earlier we call it urinary system, but now the name has been changed, so it is called as excretory system. See students, what happens whenever we eat something, our body digests it, then breakdown takes place for respiration, for releasing of energy, and so on. So many biochemical reactions takes place in our body, and as a result, few harmful substances which are fatal for us if they are stored in our body, like ammonia and urea. In human body it is formed. So this urea and ammonia are very harmful substances, and so these are needed to be thrown out or released from the body, and for this we have a system known as excretory system. Plants also have some excretory products, but for their excretion they don't have to many problems for their excretion. As we know, plants excrete carbon dioxide after respiration. Again, during the daytime, this carbon dioxide is utilized for photosynthesis. When it releases oxygen, then again this oxygen is used for respiration. So in this way, extra water which is absorbed by the root is released through transpiration, and resins, gums, latex, these are stored in a stem, and we human beings know about them, and so we take them out and prepare many things from them. Some waste substances in plants excreted in soil also, means plants excrete some waste products in soil, and in unicellular plants excretory products are stored in vacuum. Human excretory system, here I have drawn, and I am going to explain about these parts. The parts of human skeletal system or human excretory systems are many, as you are watching, but only 4 organs play important role in excretion or excretory system. So first one is the kidney. Kidneys are two bean-shaped structure which are located at the back side just on the both sides of the vertebral column, रीढ़ की हड्डी के दोनों साइड में, थोड़ा बैक साइड में हम लोगों के किडनी प्रेजेंट होता है दो, जो जिनका वजन 140 से लेके 160 ग्राम तक हो सकता है। दोनों के साइज में हल्का सा डिफरेंस होता है, दोनों के पोजीशन में भी हल्का सा डिफरेंस होता है, एक थोड़ा ऊपर दूसरा थोड़ा नीचे, और ये रेडिश ब्राउन का है, कलर का है। किडनीज आर द मेन फंक्शन which play an important role in the formation of urine, and these kidneys have unit or special type of structure which is called as nephrons. That will be explained in next video. So kidneys, and these kidneys have the upper part of the kidneys has one endocrine gland. Adrenal gland is located on the upper part of the kidney, both of the kidney. Now the kidney functions, and when urine is produced, it is taken out to the urinary bladder through ureters. Ureters are the two pipes which join urinary bladder and kidney, and this urinary bladder is a muscular structure which is a bag-like structure which stores our urine. This urinary bladder should not have any kind of injury, because it is very essential and vital organ for our body, and urethra is the opening through which urine is discharged. So in this video only I have explained about the urinary system and the four parts of urinary system. In next video, nephrons and the function of kidney, means formation of urine, will be described. Like my video and comment if you are liking it.